Look, have any of you heard of the army, the 12 monkeys? They paint this, they stencil this on the sides of buildings everywhere. Have you seen this? Mr. Cole, have you seen this? Why don't you just take your time and try to explain this whole thing from the beginning? Right, it's 1990. Okay, makes sense, they wouldn't have been active yet. People died in 1996 and 1997. Lost the entire population of the world. Only about 1% of us survived. Are you going to save us, Mr. Cole? How can I save you? This already happened. I can't save you. Nobody can. I'm simply trying to gather information to help the people in the present trace the path of the virus.
We're not in the present now, Mr. Cole.
1990 is the past. This already happened. That's what I'm trying to...
Mr. Cole. You believe 1996 is the present? Is that it?
No, 1996 is the past too. Listen to me. What I need to do is make a telephone call. I can straighten this all out if I make a telephone call.
Who would you call? Who would straighten everything out?
The scientists. They'll want to know that they sent me at the wrong time.